In this video, I will show you how to fix the Google Chrome 403 forbidden error. First, launch open Google Chrome on your device. Now you want to tap on the three dots at the top right corner of your screen. Here select the option of delete browsing data. Now tap on this drop down and here find the option of all time, select that. Next you want to make sure cookies, cache and other site data is selected over here. Then you want to tap on the delete data option. This will remove cached files and other browsing data that may be causing the 403 forbidden error. If this didn't fix your issue, then you want to launch open your device settings. Now scroll down and tap on apps. From this list of applications, find Google Chrome and select that. Now tap on storage. Here tap on clear cache. Once that is done, launch open Play Store. Type Chrome and search for that. If you find an update option, tap on that and update Chrome to the latest version. You also want to make sure that you're connected to a stable internet. You can switch between Wi-Fi and mobile data and check. That's all for this video. If you found it useful, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more videos like this.